Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Anna, German language expert from Busuu, and in today's video I'm going to share my top 5 tips on how to learn German in a fun, quick and effective way. It doesn't matter whether you've started your language learning journey already or are an absolute beginner. Variety and motivation are key to turning German into a habit and making actual progress. And that's what we want, isn't it? Ready? Let's go! First of all, you need a goal to work towards. Ask yourself, what is my motivation? Why do I want to learn German? Learning without a goal is basically like driving without direction. It's really fun at first, but gets boring after a while. Not having a clear reason for learning a new language will eventually kill your motivation. Secondly, make German part of your daily routine. You probably get to hear these tips all the time. Be consistent, have patience, practice, and practice. But what sounds like the easiest and most obvious of all language learning tips also happens to be the most difficult to stick with. So just link an activity that you do every day to opening the language learning app on your phone. Review some vocab while you wait for your coffee, for example. That can already make a real change. You don't always have to work on a new grammar topic or learn a million new words each time you study. Just commit to 10 minutes a day and see how rewarding that can be. Number 3. Learn new vocab in meaningful chunks. It might sound like the opposite of what you signed up for, but learning multiple words at the same time is a clever way to trick your brain into learning more at once and really remember it long term. Connecting a new word with an action can help trigger images that our brains store as a vivid memory instead of secluded entity. That's easy and efficient. So instead of learning Auto, which means car, try memorizing common chunks like mit dem Auto fahren, mit dem Auto fahren, to go by car. Tip number 4, speak as often as you can and as early on as possible. People always tell me I'm too shy, I make too many mistakes, it takes me too long to say what I actually want to say, but trust me, focusing on German pronunciation will improve your language skills like nothing else from day one. Speaking not only helps you memorize new expressions, the more you speak, the more you train your tongue and the muscle memory in your face. This helps you get a real feel for German and really improve your pronunciation immediately, even if you don't feel like talking to German native speakers yet. Speaking out loud to yourself can already make a huge difference. Last but not least, the fun bit. Tip number 5, make learning German rewarding. Who doesn't love rewards? Nothing better than working towards something, don't you think? Reward yourself from time to time for pushing extra hard to reach a milestone. You've made it through grammatical cases? Allow yourself to relax with a nice bath. Master the new tense? Watch another episode of a German TV show. Hallihallo, it's Anna, German language expert from Busuu. Successful reviewed some vocab? Indulge in German chocolate. Whatever you love doing, learn some German before you do it. Last but not least, don't try to be perfect. When you meet German speakers, don't be shy. Be open to their feedback and corrections. Be brave enough to step out of your comfort zone and learn from your mistakes. But don't let them dampen your spirits. So get back on your horse and spice up your German language learning adventure with our tips. What other tips have helped you learn a language? Share your experiences with the community below. If you liked this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language-related content. Want to learn more about the German language? Check out our video on German pronouns here and our video on German greetings here. Tschüss! You can have your coffee.